Welcome, colleagues. So, in this presentation, we are going to talk about the female fetal gender reveal, what we see on ultrasound. So, here is how the female fetal genitalia appear like on ultrasound. So, you can see here, these are the labias, and the opening there, the vaginal opening. So, this configuration is what you call the Hamburger sign. You see the Hamburg there. This side of the humpback, this is the central part of the humpback, that becomes the vagina opening there. So this is how the fetal female genitalia appear like on ultrasound. You can see there. So that's our little humpback there. So when you're doing the ultrasound scan, you should see the Hamburg sign there. So if you see this one, you are 100% sure or convinced that it's a female gender. So this sign becomes very prominent and quite clear in the second trimester. That's why it is the best time for us to date the pregnancy, unlike using the genital tubercle method in the first trimester, which is not very 100% correct, which is more based on myth. So this is how you should see the female gender there. You can see there. I hope it's making sense. So there's the fetal female genitalia. So if you need not to miss, you must make sure that the nice humbugs visible. Don't make assumptions to say that because I'm not seeing anything in the front, so it's a girl. There are also issues of unambiguous genitalia. Then you can also make a lot of grievous mistakes. So what we have at the front there, that's the umbilical cord. The good thing about it is it's in this section, it's in transverse section. If it's elongated, you might mistake this one for a male genitalia. You might think that this is a penis. So you must be patient so that you see the nice Hamburg, there. So it needs a bit of patience. Sometimes you have to change the orientation of the probe. Sometimes you have to turn the patient for you to get a nice image that shows us clearly the Hamburg there. Missing the gender is one of those emotional things that your patients will have to deal with, because they will buy clothes, they will buy pink, and it will turn out to be a boy. So fetal gender determination is very critical. So you can see the Hamburg there. That's what we have here. That's the opening, that's the central part. So this is the characteristic Hamburg sign that you guys are not supposed to miss. Otherwise, your patient is going to buy, prepare, get excited. Imagine a couple that have been living for 10 years, dreaming of having a girl child, and then you come, you lie to them that it's a girl. Then when they deliver, they'd prepared for a girl, then it turns out to be a boy. So those are the things that can appear simple in practice, but emotionally draining to the couple. So we must be here to do a service to our clients. Let's not be here to do a disservice to our clients. So the Hamburger Sign is your Bible if you are going to get the gender right without any challenges, without any complications. So I hope you're appreciating it. So that's how we determine gender nicely in the second trimester. Thank you so much.